Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Our third sum says, a sequence of patterns uses white and red squares. The first three patterns are shown below. Here are our first three patterns, and our patterns have red and white tiles apparently. So let's try to find, let's do some basic work before we attempt the questions. So how many white tiles and how many red tiles in each of the patterns? So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 white and how many red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 red. How many white here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So red 12. So let's discover 7 and then 10 and then 3. So the term to term rule is add 3 for the white tiles. Here we have 8, 10 and 12. So we have a rule of add 2 for the red tiles, right? Right? Okay. Which rule below gives the term to term rule for the number of white tiles? Yeah, so basic work says add 3. Yeah, this is what we have found out. But let's check. Multiply by 2 and subtract by 4. So my first pattern has 7. So if I multiply by 2 gives me 14. And then subtract by 4, which gives me 10. Yeah, I get to the next term. But let's see if this holds true even for the second one. So into 2, which gives me 20, minus 4 gives me 16. But I have 13. So no, this is not good. This is not the term to term rule. Let's try the third one. Subtract by 2 and multiply by 2. So subtract by 2. So minus 2 gives me 5 and multiply by 2 gives me 10. Okay, subtract by 2 first. So subtract by 2 and that is 8 and multiply by 2 gives me 16 and I have 13. So this is also not the term to term rule for this pattern. So we were right. A term to term rule is add 3. Justify your answer. So how will you justify your answer, children? So what exactly it is? So here, if you see, here it has one row of 3 tiles. Here it has 2 rows, and here it has 3 rows of white tiles, whereas all the others are constant, right? So how will I justify my answer? With each pattern, the middle rows, or rather middle column, column, column of white tiles With each pattern, the middle column of white tiles increases. That means each time a column of 3 tiles is added to get my next pattern for the white tiles. Yeah? Which rule below gives the term-to-term rule for the number of red squares? Alright. Oh, I erased all. So 1. So here we have. So we don't need this anyways, right? So here we've written add 2. Correct? Here our term-to-term simple rule was add 2, but see the fancier one that they have put across. We have add 2. This is what we think is correct. Subtract 3. So subtract 3. Does it hold true? No, it is adding by 2. So it's not subtract 3. So this goes out. Multiply by 2 and subtract 6. Multiply by 2. So do I multiply by 2, which is 16? And then subtract 6. Okay, I get the next one. Multiply by 2, which is 20. And then subtract 6, which is 14. But no, I get 12. So this one is not the term-to-term rule. So we were correct. We add 2 each time to get my next term or next pattern. Justify your answer. Okay. So over here we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Over here we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So what is our justification? With each pattern, the red tiles in the top and bottom rows are added by 1 tile in all 2 tiles added. 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Easy. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.